Before we had our website done with Opticommerce, it was a disaster. It didn't reflect the brand that we wanted to reflect. It wasn't matched with the customer service we were providing in store. It wasn't matched with the quality that we wanted to portray. And that's why we approached Opticommerce to upgrade our website, really, and our digital presence generally. I think it's made a massive difference, both in terms of how it's viewed externally and how it's viewed internally. I think there's a tendency now when you're going to go visit any business to judge it beforehand by their digital presence. You look on Google, see how many reviews they have. You look at their website, see how professional it looks. And so I feel like the contact lens practice now has a much better digital presence, which allows people to understand the quality that we provide before even walking into the store or walking past the store. I think our landing pages have made a big difference. The SEO we do, the pay-per-click marketing we do, we've seen a lot of people calling up as a result of that, a lot of vouchers being downloaded. And more than anything, it's brand awareness. It's making sure that when people are searching for contact lenses in Birmingham, when people are searching for specialist eye care, that we're always in their face when they're Googling it or when they're looking online. Using pay-per-click campaigning with Opticommerce has become part of our sort of integrated strategy. So if we want to focus on a product, we do training around it, we do staff training around it, but we'll also now call up Opticommerce and say, can we do a landing page? Or, so it all integrates quite well with what we're trying to do, and we make sure that what we're doing online reflects what we're doing on store, which definitely wasn't the case previously. People at Opticommerce are really good to work with, that they've addressed all our concerns very promptly, that they are responsive and quick, that they certainly seem to know what they're doing, and that if you ask any of the people who've been customers of Opticommerce before, they've seen results come from it. That's what persuaded me to go with them in the first place, and I have no regrets at this point.